So, we are en route to U-Parted. If you don't know what U-Parted is, it's a junkyard that you can buy things from. So, as in most junkyards, you pay $1 to get in. And once you're in there, you have pretty much the entire junkyard at your disposal. So if you find something you like, you bring your tools. And when you bring your tools, you take that part, you pay for it, and you leave. You get great deals. And it's always a great time to be able to just go and find something that you weren't expecting to get, and then go home and it's like Christmas. So we are headed there right now. And following tonight is Exotics on the Mile, which the name should pretty much tell you what it's going to be about. But I like to save a little bit more of that for the end, because that's just going to be a special treat. Alright, let's see what we can find. So very early on right now, so far, there's like 2 rows, I'm not finding anything. Specific stuff. So I finally found something of interest. It's a Mini, but what do I need? What can I find out of it? Because this car is pretty picked through for the most of it. But what could I take off of it that I could use is the question. Anything good? So sadly, nothing really there as far as parts or anything that I could use. Everything was pretty well picked over. I see a Monte Carlo SS though. Those guys are pulling a motor. This thing is rusted to hell. God, I'm sure this thing back in the day was a beast. Yeah, not so much anymore. Rust, anyone? I mean, there is nothing to this thing. So today my plan here is to try to find something that either I can fabricate for the race car, whatever that may be. I don't know. I don't even really know what I'm looking for. Just something in the sense that I know I could use it, or anything for the truck or the car that I could possibly use. I need new mirrors on my F-250. I've been trying to find some of those. I found one, but not a very good one. There's a dash to the F-250 here. These are the mirrors. I'm trying to find any turbos, but they're all picked over. This does not even have a motor left. Gas. See, it's spark plugs. It's a wife beater. Nothing really in this one either. So far, nothing really different. So I'm currently about halfway through. Sadly, I haven't found anything yet. Hoping my fortunes will change. Just gonna keep looking. Tell you what, this is always one thing that really fascinates me. Like, this thing is just completely burnt. Well, sadly, pretty much done. This is like the last row, and I sadly have not come upon anything. Not one thing. And every time I come here, it's like Christmas, and I want to find something. But sometimes you just can't. Well, sadly, found absolutely nothing. Typically, that's not the case, but today, it's the case. There were so many Mustangs and so many Mustangs, and that was the majority of everything. Sadly, there was a lot of F-250s and F-350s, which there were two things I was looking for the truck, and that was a right mirror and then a right rear tail light, because my tail light's got a small crack in it, and that right mirror also has a crack in it. So I was looking for that. I only found one Mini, and it was pretty much torn to bits. Other than that, there was really nothing good at all that I found of interest. I showed up an hour after open. They open at 9, which is when all the hot stuff goes out, and I got there at 10, so I didn't really find anything to my liking. Everything was kind of picked through, which is crazy, but it's true. I did find just a couple like perfect, like not even touched cars, but there was nothing. I think it was like a Jeep or something like that. There was nothing I could use off that. So sadly, sometimes it's how it works, but no Christmas for us today.
6 hours later.
Alright, so we are en route to Exotics on the Mile. Guys, I have never been to Exotics on the Mile. I'm going to be completely honest with you. But what I do know is everybody tells me that if you want to go to a car show and you want to go to a place to hang out and have a good time, Exotics on the Mile is the place to go. I think it happens once a year, so that is exactly where we are headed. We are headed to pick up Matt and his wife. You guys should know them. They've been on the channel before.
At the car show. It's pretty cool. Lots of people here.
So we're headed up that direction right now to pick them up and then head up to Exotics on the Mile. I'm super excited. I had no idea what to expect, other than I know there's lots of exotic cars and just a good time to hang out. So to make this a little bit cooler and a little bit more special, I'm going to do a throwback to my most successful video I've ever done on the channel of AutoCon LA, which, by the way, I am wearing AutoCon LA shirt. We're just going to do a straight montage of AutoCon style. So we're just going to do a straight montage of Exotics on the Mile. Here it is right here. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's cut to it right now.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
wait till he sees this. Wait till you see my footage.
That'll be good.
Yeah. I'm gonna get hired after this event at the car show. It's pretty cool. Lots of people here. Matt's looking for a Subaru. Does this thing record voice?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here, get a close up on that.
Look at the H key. I don't know if
Will you put my input on here?
Generation before they made
Right.
user service.
Right.
Look at that dog. He's pretty cute. Having a night out for dinner. Matt's here, enjoying
Rocking out.
the car show. So Matt, what has been your favorite car so far?
Turn it around. There's the bar.
What's been your favorite car?
Look at the license plate. Hard work 2. I guess the same.
Hey,
I personally like the Volkswagen Beetle.
did you see one here?
That's a favorite.
Yeah. Oh look, it's Zane Campbell. Zane, what's been your favorite car here so far?
Probably the Acura SX.
Oh, we're coming up to that one next. Here we go. Here we go. Here's Zane's car.
This color.
He's going for the Acura.
This is just like yours, man.
My wildest
Can we
dream.
have the salesman just write us up a ticket? Get us the invoice.
Here, come here. We're gonna get some shots of the river. Zane's gonna live here someday, and we're gonna swim in his bathtub that will probably be the size of a pool. Here's my husband now. Does he even use any footage from this?
Yes, Allie, I used footage from this. If you didn't realize, like, half that video was your footage, so good job, proud of you. I'm gonna hire you. Back to editing.
That was cool. Matt and I are headed to the ice cream truck.
Well, guys, I realized that after I came home, I did not do an outro to this video. It's extremely late. It's like 2:06 a.m. right now when I'm finishing this video, so I won't be a tired guy tomorrow. But either way, I had a great time. It was fun. Today was a very productive day. I got a lot done, and I had a great night hanging out and just enjoying all that we have here and the car scene, and just loving life. Either way, I'm going to end it right here. I'm going to upload this, so you'll be watching this right now. I'm going to go to bed because I'm tired. I'll see you guys a little bit later on. Peace out, and remember, you create your own story. Yeet!